So I decided for my quiz 2 that I wanted to make a video, but I didn't want it to be a normal video, so I decided that I was going to sign and talk at the same time, or SimCom. So I felt like signing was the best choice because my students will be signing or not, but my students will be deaf, hard of hearing, or hearing because I'm a deaf education major. So in this class, the things that I feel like were the best or the most important for my future is first using manipulatives. I think with my students especially, it can be hard sometimes for them to understand the things being taught, but I think with the use of manipulatives, it can help them bridge the gap and help them understand the same things that other students are learning and make them feel better about it. Because if they can't hear, if they can't see, if they can but it's not enough, then they need another way of learning it. And I think that using things helps students. So the second thing I feel is important from class is universal design, which if you look at what I'm signing, I signed for all design. And I think that I would need to use that even if I was an elementary education major, because it's really for all students and they can all benefit from it. So by learning this now, I feel like I will be able to help all my students, and if I need to change something, I will hopefully think about it before it happens, because universal design means that you think about, anything that could happen, problems, before they happen, so all the students can have the free and appropriate education. Another thing I feel like is important that I learned in this class is trying to understand how the student is learning and maybe understanding how they're making mistakes. Sometimes it can be hard to figure out, exactly what the student is doing wrong, but this class has given me different ways of assessing the student so I can know if they need help with this or they need help with that. But